Switch on the printer using the switch on the side. On the printer display, press the Tools button on the right. Now keep pressing the down arrow on the left until Tools appears. Press Enter. Press the down arrow until you see Clean Film Roller. Press Enter. Open the printer front door. Pull the film drawer. To clean the film drive roller, cleaning pads and cleaning cards are recommended. Open the isopropyl cleaning pad from its packaging. Press the LCD button on the right to initiate the cleaning routine. Gently wipe the isopropyl cleaning wipe over the film drive roller. Remove the adhesive paper backing from the cleaning card. Press the button on the right to initiate the cleaning routine. Using both hands, hold and drag the sticky side of the cleaning card over the purple roller. Press the left button to stop the cleaning routine. Press on the Accumulator tab, then lift and swing to the right. Pull the blue Film Securing tab. Open the film from its plastic container. Pull the take-up side and roll a little film material towards the take-up spool. Now, running the film under the film cores, load the film in the printer as shown. Press slightly downward in the middle to get a little slack in the film. Close the Film Securing tab. Close the accumulator and press this down firmly. Close the film drawer. Pull the ribbon drawer on the right. Remove the ribbon from its plastic cover. Running the ribbon under the cores, load the ribbon as shown. Close the ribbon securing tab and push the ribbon drawer. Close the printer front door.